Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites. Confirm that the ESXi hosts see the storage targets and that networking or fiber channel zoning is in place. Once done, log into Vcenter with an admin account and open the cluster or host view. From there, select Storage and then New Datastore. Choose the datastore type, VMFS for block, NFS for file, or vvol for array integration, and enter the datastore name. This prepares the UI for the next configuration steps. Next, you pick the storage target. Select the LUN for VMFS or supply the NFS server and remote path for NFS. Make decisions about capacity and block size, use full LUN generally, or specify a custom size when sharing. For VMFS, pick the version compatible with your environment. Then choose which hosts should mount the datastore and verify pathing and multipath settings. Once the wizard previews the configuration, review and finish to provision the datastore. Finally, rescan storage adapters on every ESXi host to ensure the new datastore appears in the inventory. Then open the datastore browser to confirm readability and capacity. Once visible, apply storage policies, set permissions, and migrate or register virtual machines. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by verifying zoning and LUN masking, confirming network or FC connectivity, checking DNS for NFS, and updating host storage adapter drivers. These steps usually reveal
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.